To start a row of double treble crochet, you chain 5 right there. That's the height of a double treble crochet. Then you turn your work around, yarn over 3 times, insert your hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop. You've got 5 loops on your hook. Then you work them off in pairs. Yarn over and draw through the first 2. Yarn over and draw through the second 2, the third 2, and then the last 2. That's a double treble crochet. To finish a row of double treble crochet, you have to work into the top of the turning chain 5 that you started with. This is your first double treble. You yarn over 3 times, insert your hook into the top of that chain 5, yarn over and pull up a loop, and then you just work them off in pairs, yarn over and draw through 2, yarn over and draw through the next 2, the third 2, and the last 2. And that's how you end that.